Hello.
Our explanation, panoorin niyo na lang. Na lang, ma'am.
What's your name?
Ewan, basta po yung name ng piece namin. Kasi wala na po kaming maisip.
Okay.
Pangalan.
Nag-isip naman tayo.
Isa mga tabi. Walang naisip ng pangalan.
Sige po, intuition. Okay. So yung i-perform po namin, ma'am, a mashup of different musicals.
Okay.
From different musicals.
Sino nag-arrange? Did somebody arrange?
Kami po.
Ala! Okay, that's good.
Kailan? Into
Using our ears.
Kanina lang po namin na-arrange. That's why it's Ewan Basta. That's why it's Ewan Basta. Okay.
Okay, game.
We live by our
From our 2 weeks of theater experience.
Kita ba? Kita ba?
Pag kailangan nyo ng mic, yes.
Oo, dapat ba? Dapat ba? Sira, parang malakas yung mag-inig na natin. Sige ba? Ano na tayo? Para
Sound of music, sound of music.
In order, in order.
Order?
Order.
Sige, sa baba na na kami. Sige, huwag na sa order. Okay na. Okay na tayo.
Basta kanta na. Yun na, guys. I've been dreaming of a true love's kiss, and a prince I'm hoping comes with this. That's what brings ever aftering so happy.
Did I abuse her, show her disdain? Why does she run from me? If I should lose her, how shall I regain the heart she has won from me? Agony beyond power of speech, when the one thing you want is the only thing out of your reach.
Little town is a quiet village. Every day like the one before. Little town full of little people waking up to stay here. 'Cause there are rules and there are strictures. I believe the storybooks I read by candlelight. My white knight and his steed will look just like these pictures. It won't be long now, I guarantee. I know it's today. I'm a girl, and by me that's only great. I am proud that my silhouette is curvy, that I walk with a sweet and girlish gait, with my hips kind of swivelly and swirly. I wish I could fly and magically appear and disappear. I wish I could fly, I'd fly far away from here.
Now I'm just Michael in the bathroom, Michael in the bathroom at a party. Forget how long it's been, I'm just Michael in the bathroom, Michael in the bathroom at a party. No, you can't come in, I'm waiting it out till it's time to leave. And picking at ground as I softly grieve, I'm just Michael who you don't know, Michael flying solo, Michael in the bathroom by himself.
Adventure in a great white somewhere. I want it more than I can